Leggy seedlings occur when they don't receive enough sunlight, which causes them to become tall and spindly. Here's how you can stop this from happening. Number 1. Provide more light. Make sure the seedlings are always near a window and are in the sunniest area. Most seedlings need at least 12 hours of light each day. Number 2. Rotate the plants. Do this regularly to prevent the seedlings from leaning to one side. This also ensures all sides of the plant get access to sunlight. Number 3. Spacing. Make sure your seedlings are spaced correctly, so they aren't out competing each other for light. Also, make sure you plant the seedlings at the correct depth. All the correct planting requirements should be at the back of the seed packet. Number 4. Watering and temperature. Overwatering, as well as too high or too low temps, can cause leggy growth among seedlings. Depending on the plant, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius is generally the ideal temp during the day. To avoid overwatering, always make sure the soil has dried out before you water. Number 5. Use a fan. By mimicking the wind, a fan can help seedlings develop a stronger stem, so they don't fall over and aren't as weak and spindly. Make sure to place it an appropriate distance, so as not to damage the plants. Some other ways to prevent leggy seedlings include pruning, as well as fertilizing, without overdoing it.